Shorthand dictation by Moynihan 100 words per minute. Now let's start. 3, 2, 1, 0. The assuming of risk, the shouldering of responsibility for bearing losses that may arise, is incident to all businesses, and it is inevitable. Full stop. However, for one pushes the invaluable practice of insurance, this will not avail entirely, and something must needs to be left to chance, full stop, nor, on the whole, would it be good for man if chance were altogether eliminated from life and separate from businesses, full stop. Uncertainty adds considerably piquancy to a job existence through, of course, nobody desires convulsive or violent change for the sake of variety, full stop. Though we are taking us all rounds, a very cautious race, there are never wanting among us those willing to take the chances inseparable from businesses, full stop, and taking one with another the risk trackers profit, because since more are ready to devolve risk from themselves than are ready to assume it, they can put a premium upon their services, full stop. Those services are real, full stop. What people call remunerations for risk is really earned, full stop. Unless plans were made for a more or less distant future, no progress would be possible. But as soon as futurity comes into the accounts, chance enters to, full stop. The time element, the changes and chances of this mortal life, is it is expressed implies uncertainty, full stop. A natural instinct promotes us to consider enjoyments no as more eligible than enjoyments that are to come, full stop. For few futures events are quite free from uncertainty. Gilt edged securities of the most unblemished reputations fluctuate in value, as anyone one with sectarial experience well know, full stop. The men that sink a mine, even through the acts upon the advice of a geological expert, runs risk, for geology itself is not yet infallible, full stop. The emigrant frequently risk a good deal, full stop. The rubber planter in Ceylon takes risk of politically upheavals that might conceivably sweep away his property rights, takes some risk that the secret research of scientists may advise a suitable substitutes, take risk of market, of weather, of any number of factors that no foresight can predict, full stop. Even when we take seats in the luncheon car, signifying by the act that we accept the offer of the railway company to provide a good meal for 5 shillings, we run a risk of not getting the meal we anticipate, full stop. The company, too, runs some risk, for we may be short of money, or we may have no money to pay, or having it, may avoid payment.